Hi, Maddie here from Performance Tool. Is your engine making a strange rattling noise, or maybe it's your transmission? Differential? It's not always easy to hear where your engine noise is coming from, and you don't want to tear down and rebuild the engine only to find out you didn't fix the problem. An automotive stethoscope is an easy way to help pinpoint and diagnose the source of the noise in your car, so you can decide whether you need a valve train overhaul or if you have a rattly radiator fan. Be careful of moving fan blades or hot engine components while the car is running. Start where you think the sound might be coming from, and then feel around until you're confident you found the loudest source. You can use the included 11-inch probe to reach inaccessible places in the car. Engine noises may be loud when transmitted through a stethoscope, so be careful. An automotive stethoscope is an easy way to start diagnosis, and hopefully avoid starting the wrong repairs. It's that easy.